next guest started her iconic beauty brand right in her kitchen with the philosophy that what goes on your body should be as good as what goes in your body. So please welcome the founder and CEO of Camille Rose, Janell Stephens.
Thank you.
Janell, oh my God.
Me.
I am so glad you're here because last time you were here, Janell, we had talked about your recipe for beauty.
Yes.
Can you remind everyone what that recipe is?
The recipe for beauty are products that are rich in moisture.
Yes.
Which was my goal when I created Camille Rose in my kitchen. Beautiful ingredients like the avocado oils, macadamia, great scent. So when you step into my kitchen or use a Camille Rose product, it's like stepping into a bakery.
All right, and I love it.
All backed by science,
because your hair smells like a bakery. Even when I smelled your hair, I just wanted to eat up your hair, girl. So today, Janell, we're literally mixing up the recipe for one of your best-selling products. What's cooking over here?
Curl Love Moisture Milk. So this is the base. So we're gonna cook. We're in the kitchen.
Okay.
So let's take the base.
So let's take
your
the base.
spatula, scoop it into this clear bowl.
Yes.
And what we're gonna do is just take the avocado oil, which is rich in moisture.
Okay,
it is a moisture. Yes, we love it. So take the avocado.
Oh, this is not the avocado. This is the avocado
here.
This is the avocado.
Drizzle a little bit.
Okay. You can tell I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how to cook.
It's just like baking a cake.
Okay.
Drizzle a little
like baking a cake. Okay.
Yes. And then you're gonna take the macadamia oil, which is a lighter oil. You use this to kind of seal.
All right.
Seal the oil in your hair.
Okay.
And then let's take our little hand mixer.
Okay.
You can mix it up a little bit if you want.
Okay, which one of these do I use?
Let's take the hand mixer.
The hand mixer.
Yes. And kind of press both. Be careful now.
All right.
Just press both of them.
Oh, it's working. There we go. Yes, there we go.
Just mix it around, mix it around.
Yes.
Mix it around. There's no right or wrong way to do this.
And this is going to be like super moisture in here, right?
Super moisturizing, super nourishing. It helps with hair breakage. And then last but not least, let's take a little of the vanilla.
The vanilla?
Yep. And you're going to make the product just smell so good. I love vanilla.
That's why your hair smells like cookies?
This is our iconic scent. Vanilla, and then mix.
I love
this thing is a little tricky, but just
there we go.
Mix, blend it all in.
Ooh, it smells so good.
Yep, smells delicious, and there you have it.
Ooh, I like this.
You have Curl Love. This is our base.
This is the base.
This is the base.
And I love it because you brought a few more products for those of us that have the textured hair. Can you tell us about the product?
So Curl Love, this is the finished product, your Curl Love Moisture Milk, which is our #1 leave-in.
Okay.
This was one of my first products that I created.
Yeah.
It's amazing and it feels good. And doesn't it smell good? Yes. And then we have Curl Maker, which has because
I don't know who I'm gonna meet. I don't know who I'm gonna meet after I leave here.
Exactly. Curl Maker is our defining gel.
That's the defining gel.
Defining gel, so it helps with frizz, it helps define the curls, and it locks that style in place.
Okay.
And then, of course, our Spike Honey Mousse that's made with real organic honey.
Oh.
It is for people who want movable curls, but it also defines, it penetrates the hair shaft, and it just keep your style in place for days.
Girl, somebody gonna be, because I smell just like a big, somebody gonna be eating on me. I'm not lying.
Your hair looks good,
Yes, mama. Okay, so we got over here our model.
We got a model, so we bring a model.
Can you give us some styling tips for using your products on Milan?
Absolutely. So Milan is our wash and go girl. And on the left side, look at those beautiful shiny curls. So we did this already, right? Yes. This is a wash and go. So I am just gonna show you a little bit on how Milan styles her hair. Milan, what are your products of choice?
Curl Love, Curl Maker, and the Spiked Honey Mousse.
Spiked Honey Mousse.
Honey Mousse.
Yep, and this does not take long to do at all. You can do this in the shower. You can refresh your hair with a little of water. I'm gonna spritz some water in it.
Okay.
Very easy to do, guys. Yep.
All right.
Take your water. You want to drench it a little bit. Not a little bit, a lot of bit.
A lot, drench it. Drench it a lot.
And then we're gonna take some Curl Love.
Okay, this is
is your
Curl Love.
leave-in. Always start with your leave-in because it helps with.
Enough?
Yep, that's enough.
Okay.
And you don't need. It depends on your hair. If your hair is thicker, you go heavier. If it's not, you go lighter. But always always start with a great moisturizing leave-in.
Yeah, because I can see it's moisturizing.
Yes, it's moisturizing. And then Milan does her Spike Honey Mousse second.
Okay, so
because she loves a movable curl. So if you want your, that's enough.
Okay.
So if you want your curls to move, you use your Spike Honey Mousse, and you can rake it, just rake it in your hair like this.
Ooh, I see those curls.
See how the curls are forming?
Yes.
And don't worry about the whiteness of the hair because it'll disappear.
Okay.
And now let's seal this style with Curl Maker.
Okay, so
look at those curls.
Is this the Curl Maker?
Yep, Curl Maker. Just take a little bit.
Is that enough?
Yep, that's enough.
Okay.
And then guess what? You can start by raking, but if you need to create your curl, if you need to define your curl a little more,
just wrap it around your finger.
Just do finger coil.
Oh, look at how
and
look
at
at that curl.
You see?
I love it.
Yes.
I love it. Janell, as you're wrapping that cord to Milan, oh gosh, it looks so beautiful. I want to thank you for being here.
Absolutely, we love it.
Y'all, for more info on Camille Rose, scan the QR code or go to CamilleRose.com. And you know what, y'all? Janell brought gifts from Camille Rose for everyone in the audience. Yes. We'll be right back. Hey family, whether it's Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or wherever you're watching this video, make sure you follow and subscribe.